Hello. One of the first things you need when executing a test is to get the user inputs. Whether it is the IP address of a device under test, or maybe the duration for the traffic to run. You can achieve this in various ways, but let's start with a very simple one, and that is the instruction tool. You can find the instruction tool in the Utilities stencil, drag it to the canvas, and double-click on the new step to edit its properties. You can set the instruction header and set the message that will be displayed to the user. You can then set the duration for this instruction window, and then you can add multiple inputs that you would like to get from the user. To do that, press on the New button. Select the type of the input. You can select the text box type if you want the user to type any kind of text or numbers. And you can then select a default value. You can select the checkbox type if you want the user to select between two modes, like Enable Disabled or True False. And you can then select the default value, which should be 0 or 1. And you can select the combo box type if you want the user to select between different values that you provide. In this case, you have to provide a data source, which is a list of values, and select the default value. Now, when we run it, we can see all the fields that we need to fill. If we selected the duration, and the user does not touch the window, then it will disappear and the test will continue. However, if the user touched any field on the window, then the timeout counter will stop and the user will have to dismiss the window. That's all. A very simple yet powerful tool that helps you to get the inputs from the user.